Welcome back to Trimble Tech. So I restarted my computer today, and it turns out that there is a problem. And the problem is that Docker, the container application, is considered to be malware. This is no good, and this was someone else had the same question as me: how to resolve Docker app. It'll damage your computer. And this guy's on an Intel Mac. I'm on an ARM Mac, M1 Max. Doesn't really matter, but we need to be able to fix this to run our issue. So it says this is a disastrous global issue for software engineering, and it says, let's make this bigger. There is an official response from Docker to go ahead and resolve this issue, and someone else says, run this script in order to get it working. So basically, it stops Docker, stops the virtual networking service, and stops the socket service, and then removes everything, and then is going to install some new binaries, and then restart Docker desktop, and then focus in. I tried it, but it did not work. This guy says it worked for him. This guy says it didn't work for him. And this guy says, hey, I tried it, and I need some help here. And this guy says, I solved it by extracting the Docker app and copying it into applications using that solution. So you got different solutions, and then Docker has their own response. It's saying, hey, why don't you go ahead and download the Docker desktop version that was of the 9th, so a couple days ago. And it says prevents a bug that causes Docker desktop to not update. Well, let's go ahead and there it goes right there. I cannot work. So we're going to go ahead and resolve this. All right, so let's go ahead and drag in Docker, and we'll get here. It says a newer item in Docker already exists. You want to replace it with the order when you're copying. What? I'm going to replace that. Mine's brand new. What are they talking about? All right, that's that. Now let's see if I can open up Docker. Here's Docker. Looks like modified on the 8th. Let's go ahead and see if this will open up for me. Verifying it. Yep. Oh my goodness. So that is no good. Let's try a couple of other solutions here, and we can try to run this script since it's still here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this GitHub issue here. This is from Docker Workaround. Yep. We know. Start Docker, see the error. So let's see, 836 people gave it the thumbs up. Okay, let's, they like it, I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up TextEdit. And let's make a new document. We'll paste that in here, and we'll just call it Fix Docker. Fix Docker, and I'll put this on my downloads location, fixdocker.sh. All right, let me close this out, and we're gonna go to terminal. Oh my God, this is super annoying. All right, so let's go to downloads. Well, let's see where I am. It's like a race against time here. PWD, CD, there we go, downloads, there we go, and we'll do chmod plus X, we'll call it what, fix Docker, I think that's what I called it. What did I call that file? Let's see, downloads, it is not there. Where did I put that darn thing? In downloads. well, I might need to save it again. Oh, I put it in. Let me see. Oh, let me do this. Okay. Yeah, we'll just say, let me rename this file. Yep, .sh. And close that. And go back to terminal and fix that. Okay. Press the up key. We'll try that again. Let's press enter. Give it my password. And I think we're good. Nope. Let's see. Anything else I got to do here? I'm not even sure if it. Oh wait, I just did the permissions. So let's go ahead and run it. Fix. One more time. Let me just do / and then our file, whatever that was. That I'll just press the up key, press enter there, and we'll just run it. Oh, I see. Let's do Cannot find it. Let's fix that. Do. I want to do what volumes, and then we're looking for what external, and then downloads, fix Docker. And look at that, got a little error there. That's interesting. Command not found. Oh, you know what? You know what I gotta do? So yeah, this is a little tip for you. If you ever are working with a script, right, and you get some type of weird error, you gotta make your script plain text. And then boom, I'll be good to go. All right, so now you better run it and fix it. All right, got my, I think I'm good to go. Let's see, we'll give it a second here if it fixes. And we are, give it 1 minute because it was popping up like crazy and y'all saw it. All right, I think we have solved it. All right, well that's a win. That's how you can fix Docker if it is crashing on you. All right, hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these types of tutorials on your Mac, everyday productivity games and whatnot, feel free to subscribe. All right, as always, I'll see you in the next one.